4 feet by 8 feet CO2 laser cutting and engraving machine with 150 watt laser tube, installed in Mumbai, Gujarat. Smart power control meter with latest display. These are the control switches. There are two separate drawers on either side of the machine where we can remove the materials. High cooling chiller also provided along with the machine. There are two separate sections in which these spare parts are kept. As you can see the size of the machine. In this model of machine there is no belt provision. It is on the rack and pinion model, which is basically used for router machines. We have provided along with the laser machine itself. So there is no belt system attached in this machine for the Y-axis movement. There is a special provision for keeping blower and rest of the parts inside the machine also, whereas you can keep the air compressor, blower, and even if you need you can keep the chiller also inside this duct, which is provided along in the machine.